guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video. This video is going to be all about vision boards and how you can turn your dream vision board into your reality. The mistakes that I have done, and I don't want any of you watching this do the same mistake because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि last year जो मैंने vision board I created उसमें I made a lot of mistakes and I want to talk about it on how I am trying to correct those mistakes and not incorporate those mistakes in my this year's vision board. So yeah, let's get started without any further ado. But before we get started, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and feel free to comment down below if you have any queries or any questions regarding the topic, or you want me to make a video on certain topic. Please let me know, it helps me a lot. And yeah, now let's get started. So the first thing and the first mistake that I've done in my vision board journey is that I made a vision board but I never really looked at it on a regular basis. मैंने last year vision board बनाया and I kept it as it is. I never looked it back and I never checked on it that what is exactly have I put into. And after a year when I checked it, it felt very anonymous to me. I couldn't understand the images as if why have I even put it in the vision board. So that was very confusing for me to understand. So this is the mistake number one that you might have done if your vision boards haven't yet worked for you. Whether you're creating your vision board as a hard copy or soft copy, make sure you have time to look at it on regular intervals. Regular, I mean like once in 2 days or once in 3 days should be enough, but you should visualize your vision board, because after all that is the only purpose of vision board, is to visualize it, and that will only happen if you keep looking at it on a regular basis. So let me just tell you, it works. Okay, this trick is very helpful because I have been doing it for like 2 days now and I can already understand and see it, and it just makes me happy. Okay, number 2 point that I want you guys to keep in mind is clarity. You should be clear with whatever you're putting in your vision board. So for example, you're putting an image, but that image has a very vivid understanding of you, and you just have put it because you think it's good and it helps you, but it is not going to help you on a regular term if you don't have any strong reason and strong meaning behind putting that image in your vision board. So don't do that mistake. Choose your images and pictures very, very wisely. Don't just look at the picture that you've seen on Pinterest and you've put it directly in your vision board. That's not how it actually works. So for example, I put a random quote in my vision board, but that quote has not anything significant to do with my current life or my past life for that matter. And when I look at it, I will not understand why I even put that up in the vision board, because that gives like a very vague and a very unclear understanding to me, and we don't want that. So please make sure whatever you put in your vision board should be clear. I will put up the list of things that I have selected to put in my vision board, and very random things in no particular order, in no category. Although it's up to you, you can create your own category and put it in your vision board. I have not done that. What I've done is I've simply chosen like sort of 10 things or maybe like 15 things, or if that's a lot for you, maybe like 5-6 things for my vision board. And these are very random category. For example, driving, cooking, hitting 1K on YouTube. So these are the kind of things that I've put on. So cooking, driving, 1K on YouTube makes sense to me, makes sense as per my life, because I genuinely want to learn driving, like driving a car and cooking my meals, because I don't want to stay dependent. Here I have also put an image of a passport because I don't have one yet, and I have been like longing it for such a long time, and I'm actually delaying क्योंकि हो ही जाता है delay मेरा passport बनना. And this year I don't want that. This year I don't want to delay my passport making process any further, so I'm gonna get it done this year anyhow. So that makes even much more understanding for me that I will not put up an image which gives a vague information, so that is unclear, and you don't want to clutter your vision board with unclear information. Be as clear, be simple, be very realistic, which brings us to the point number 3. Point number 3 is having your vision clear. but also being very realistic. Now what happens is, as much as I'm all for over ambitiousness, I love overconfidence, but sometimes this is not the right thing in all the cases. You need to be realistic if you want your vision board to have some capable goals that you want to fulfill. Remember, your vision board has your visions, and your visions do not have to match or compete against anybody else's visions or even vision boards. So make it as per your reality. The more real your vision board is, the more chances are you're gonna fulfill everything that you've put in your vision board. So making it realistic is a very important point to keep in your mind when you are creating your vision board. Number 4, I think, yeah. Number 4 is being able to do whatever you're putting, which means doable actions. Everything that you're putting in your vision board should be associated with action. Whenever you're looking at any image in your vision board, you should have a clear understanding that what are the exact necessary steps or actions that you have to take in order to accomplish whatever is in the image, and that is going to make your goals into reality. So for example, if I put up an image which I am not sure of how I am gonna achieve, it is gonna give me very unclear, very undoable feeling, and it's rather going to make me feel cautious and burdened. Your vision board should not make you feel burdened. It should make you feel relaxed and give you the right steps, the right conscious to be able to achieve that you've put in your vision board. So it's very important that every image has a certain action or certain doability factor to understand, to revive of what you actually want to do. So yeah, I think I've told you enough. Now I'm going to show you guys my vision board. So this is how I have created my vision board. I'm not sure if you can all see, but I'll give you a quick understanding of what exactly have I put into it. So मैंने क्या किया है कि मैंने कुछ images को लिया है, उनको अपने vision board में put किया है, और बीच बीच में मैंने कुछ ना कुछ quotes डाले हैं just that I relate to. So for example, if you can see here this image, this one. So this tells me about patience, because I think मैं बहुत ज़्यादा impatient हो जाती हूँ at times with a lot of things, and this year I don't want that. I don't want to be impatient. I want to be as patient in terms of everything possible, because सब कुछ खराब हो जाता है अगर आप impatient हो जाते हो अपनी life में. So this image signifies that. So one more quote is right here, which says silent moves, loud results, which means आप अपना काम शांति से करो and आपके जो results हैं उनको लेकर के छींको. Something that I always have lived by. I don't want to blabber or show it off to the world that oh I'm doing this, oh I'm doing that. Just rather patiently do your work and let your results speak volumes. And there are multiple images. Yeah, now one more image is here, which is girl is driving a car, because like I mentioned, I want to learn driving, so it's here. And yeah, one more interesting thing is here, which is hitting 1K on YouTube. I really want to do that this year. I mean, I hope so. If you guys support, why not? Okay, there is one more, which is 100K on YouTube, which means a play button. I know it's crazy. Just now I mentioned being realistic is important, but the reason why I've put that image is because as much as I want to be realistic, 1 or 2 things I really want to be crazy about. That's the whole purpose of putting that image. And yeah, this brings up to the end of the video. I hope I was able to give you some help if you needed it. I have been scrolling a lot on Instagram and on YouTube Shorts, and I've been seeing a lot of vision board ideas. So yeah, this is why it brought me here. And yeah, do let me know what is your take on your vision board. Have you created one, or how you're planning to create one? I hope this video has helped you in some way or the other. And yeah, that is it. This brings us to the very end of the video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and do not forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys, see you next time.